So another cool feature on the Model 800 and 850 is this thing we call playback or recordable mode. And what that feature allows you to do is basically wrap a pallet in manual mode, and you can save all those steps and play it back. So you can highly customize your wrap cycle with this feature. Let's show you how to do that. In order to start record mode, just hit record and then start. Now from here on, it's gonna read everything I'm doing. So if I engage it with the turntable speed, I hold this down until it beeps, turntable's spinning, and then I'm gonna go up with the carriage. Notice it counted that step 2. I'm gonna hold this in and go about right here. Let it reinforce there a little bit so the carriage is staying where it's at. Now I'm gonna go back up a little bit more. Reinforce there by stopping again. So counted that step. Now I'm gonna go up further. Now I'll bring it up all the way to the top. And then once I get to the top, I'm gonna let go and let it wrap a little bit as well. So now I'm at the top now, so I'm gonna stop. It's counting that step. I'm gonna let it wrap a little bit while the carriage is staying in that position. Then I'm gonna come back down. So counted that step. And I'm going to stop it right here. So in order to stop it, I hit stop, and then I gotta let it finish this cycle. So it beeped. So once it beeped, I can save this. So in order to save it, if I just hit save now, it's gonna save it as recordable 1. But let's say I wanna save this as recordable 3. So I'm at 3, and then I hit save, and then I hit OK. So that's how you would program a recordable mode setting. Next, we're gonna show you how you actually access that and do that. All right, so we just did and saved that recordable mode. So notice the carriage was in the up position. So first thing I wanna do is hit reset to bring that carriage back to the down position. Because if I left it up and hit start, it's gonna start counting from that carriage being at that up position. So I'm gonna bring that down, and it'll beep when it gets to the bottom. All right, so it's at the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit load, and I'm gonna scroll through past the saved automatic pallets and go up to recordable 3. I'm gonna click OK. Then I'm gonna hit start. And it's gonna do everything I just did.